Stress-relieving houseplants. Here are some distressing plants noted to provide your home with peace and tranquility. Point 1. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is a little miracle plant that is a hard-to-kill houseplant and perfect to keep in your home. Aloe Vera plants are a versatile addition to your home. Not only do they thrive in sunny environments and come in various sizes that can easily blend in with any decor, but they also have amazing healing properties. The gel inside the leaves can soothe skin irritations and act as a detoxifier when ingested. Simply break open a leaf and squeeze out the gel. Additionally, aloe vera plants help to maintain the air quality in your home, leaving your home feeling fresh and beautiful. Light. Bright indirect light, a westerly window sill is perfect. Watering. Water deeply once every 2 or 3 weeks. If you water it more often, the plant might rot. Other considerations. Aloe vera is a member of the succulent family and can survive periods without water. Mature aloe vera plants will often produce baby pops, which can be planted to expand your plant collection. Lavender is one of the most smoothing plants available. Lavender oil is an excellent multi-purpose essential oil and aids with relaxation and sleep. Lavender can easily be grown outside, in a lot of places as long as it's not too hot or humid, but if you want to grow it inside, then you will need to pay a little more attention to it. Light. Lavender needs a lot of light. Ideally, it will receive at least 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight a day. Watering. Allow the soil to dry out between watering. Stick your finger into the soil to feel for moisture. Lavender will rot if it is overwatered. Other considerations. Ideal temperatures for lavender are 50 to 55 degrees at night and 70 to 75 degrees during the day. However, different species can tolerate different temperatures. Tree ferns are popular indoor plants for their ability to purify the air and eliminate negative energy. Their graceful foliage not only adds aesthetic value to any space, but also provides a comforting tactile experience. A maidenhair fern, in particular, is an excellent choice for low-light areas that need a calming touch. While ferns offer a diverse range of forms and sizes, most species prefer indirect sunlight. Therefore, it's important to be mindful of their placement and avoid exposing them to direct sunlight. Placing them in a humid corner of a room can create an ideal environment for their growth and well-being.
Light. Ferns do best with indirect light. Try placing them near a north-facing window. Watering. Most ferns prefer moist soil. So water them frequently, but don't allow the soil to get soggy. Other considerations. Ferns like humid environments. You can either use a humidifier, mist your fern regularly, or have a humidity tray, a tray of stones filled with water under the pot.
Rubber plants are popular houseplants because they are easy to care for and can grow to over 6 feet. In the wild, it can grow to over 100 feet. Closing parenthesis. Point 4. Rubber plants clean the air in your home, and many homes have them because they are so easy to grow. They love more dim light and cooler temperatures. These plants are excellent at removing toxins and purify the air. Light. Indirect sunlight is best. If it's too bright or hot, the leaves can get scorched. Watering. Keep the soil moist but not soggy in the spring and summer. In the winter and fall, the soil can dry out a little more, but not too much. Other considerations. Rubber plants are tropical plants and prefer a more constant temperature and humid. They are happiest at about 70 to 75 degrees. 5. The delightful fragrance of lemon balm is a crowd pleaser. I bet you won't be able to resist rubbing its leaves every time you walk past. Not only does lemon balm smell amazing, but if you are bitten by insects, you can apply lemon balm to the bite for immediate relief. Lemon balm contains a compound ferulic acid, which protects the skin from harm. As a result, it can be used to create a balm for sunburn and wounds. Light. Lemon balm ideally needs a lot of sunlight, so a south-facing window, where it can get 5 hours of direct light a day, is perfect. Watering. Lemon balm needs regular watering. If you do leave it too long between waterings, then it will recover quickly from wilt. Other considerations. Make sure you use good draining soil, as lemon balm will rot if the soil stays too wet.